Morning everyone! Another na dalawang package po ngayon na humabol. Hi Sir Mentor Namay, Sir Joy, and Sir JR Espil. Ito na po yung dalawang package na gin-purchase sa ating bagong member dito sa Tao Elevate. Congratulations Sir Namay and Sir Espil. Meron na naman po tayong bagong new member of our family, which is Tao Elevate. And ipapaship na po natin ngayon, going bound to Abu Dhabi. Congratulations Sir Namay and Sir JR Espil. Happy business day everyone! Morning, everyone. Ah, Hi, Ma'am Flor de Lisa Mariot. Ito na po yung basic package niyo po na gin-reorder dito sa BCO natin sa Abu Dhabi. And ito na po yung additional din po na 3 Fit. Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations. Happy business day, everyone. Happy Ramadan Kareem.